Life is so short, it gets shorter each day. This life on earth quickly passes away. The time we have to live is briefly here. Then like a vapor, our lives disappear. Don't waste your life living for self and gain, or living for what's sin, temporal and vain. Live your life for Christ, and what will go on? What lasts forever when your life is gone? It will be soon when you take your last breath. Life will be over and you will face death. Then you'll stand before God and you will see what really mattered for eternity. Your life is getting shorter every day. And like a vapor, life passes away. One day, very soon, when your life is past, only what you did for Jesus will last.